watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, everyone. If you're a fan of timeless charm and elegant designs, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 48 fabulous vintage kitchen designs that will inspire your next kitchen makeover. From beautiful details to cool textures, these vintage kitchens blend the best of the past with functional modern touches. Vintage is everybody's obsession now, and that's not surprising. Beautiful details, refined designs, and cool textures with exquisite touches just excite everyone. I'd like to share a bunch of adorable vintage kitchens that will definitely inspire you to get one. Let's get started. White and stained cabinets. A beautiful vintage kitchen featuring a mix of white and stained cabinets, complemented by a black vintage table used as a kitchen island. Potted plants, pendant lamps, and sconces add to the charm. Bold green cabinets. A bold vintage kitchen with bright green cabinets, bright floral wallpaper, black tiles on the backsplash, a checked floor, and a round red table for a vibrant look. Retro charm. A bright retro kitchen with a checked floor, yellow walls, blue cabinetry, black countertops, vintage faucets, and bright textiles that bring a playful atmosphere. Farmhouse feel. A chic vintage farmhouse kitchen with stained and blue cabinets, neutral countertops, potted greenery, and printed textiles for a cozy, rustic feel. Mint green paneling. A chic vintage kitchen with mint green paneling, stained vintage furniture, a folding table as a kitchen island, and a hanger with pans for added character. Blue cabinets and hearth. A lovely vintage kitchen with blue cabinets, a vintage hearth, open shelves for plates, wooden beams, and a wooden dining set creating a warm, inviting space. Colorful accessories. A lovely vintage kitchen with white cabinets, a white bedboard kitchen island, and colorful accessories in pink, blue, and green, paired with neutral linens. Pastel and neutral combo. A neutral and pastel vintage kitchen with a blue fridge, a green bench, colorful mosaic tiles on the floor, and a large kitchen island for a cheerful, eclectic look. Dark stained countertops. A neutral kitchen with white cabinets and a kitchen island, dark stained countertops, a mix of glass and regular cabinets, and printed decor for a timeless appeal. Checked floor and blooms. A neutral vintage kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, a checked floor, potted greenery, pendant lamps, blooms, clear chairs, and a round table for a fresh look. Turquoise touches. A neutral vintage kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, bright turquoise touches in walls, and floral curtains for a bright and contrasting style. Mint and red. A pretty mint green kitchen with a white bedboard backsplash, butcher block countertops, red pendant lamps, and green knobs for a playful retro vibe. Cottage style. A pretty vintage cottage kitchen with white shaker-style cabinets, a green subway tile backsplash, open shelves, and open cabinets, complemented by a printed curtain. Blue fridge accent. A retro kitchen with white shaker-style cabinets, gray countertops, and open storage shelf, a blue fridge, and blue and mint touches for a fresh, airy feel. Teal cabinets and crystal chandelier. A stylish vintage kitchen with green walls, white subway tiles, teal cabinets, a dark stained dining set, a crystal chandelier, and potted greenery. Mosaic tile floor. A vintage cottage kitchen in neutrals, with planked cabinets, stained shelves, a mosaic tile floor, metal pendant lamps, and pans for decor. Checked floor and fun textiles. A vintage cottage kitchen with a checked floor, neutral stained walls, open and regular cabinets, baskets, and fun textiles for a cozy, inviting space. Beadboard backsplash. A vintage green kitchen with a bedboard backsplash, dark countertops, copper cookware, and pans for decor, creating a bold and unique look. Rough wooden table. A vintage kitchen with blue cabinetry and shelves, a rough wooden table, a bedboard backsplash, a printed rug, and butcher block countertops for a rustic charm. We hope these ideas have inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and we'll see you next time.